Hey everyone, today's video is about how to create a Gessoed panel very easily. So check this out. Okay, these are a few strips of plywood, quarter inch, and I'm going to put a regular Gesso. I mean, this can be a good quality Gesso that you can buy. So here I'm using the most concentrated one and will be spreading it with some amount of water, maybe slight amount, but not too much. I generally do not think that thinning is good, but you can spread it so that it becomes thin. And I'm going to cover both the planes and the sides so that it becomes moisture proof. So this is just a covering exercise. There is nothing that I need to be worried about it, the quality of the planes that I'm going to have. And if you have a ply that has some writing on it, make sure that it is um, you know the side upon which you are not going to do a painting. It should be mostly something that has nothing on it. And I'm covering the sides as well so that they are moisture proof. Covering it with amply, but I'm not going to put too many coats on these sides, just one coat, so it should be quite thick. Now here you can see this is not the painting surface, this is the painting surface upon which I'm going to put two more coats. But this is the first coat and it's quite dry, so we are going to start putting on the second coat now. Okay, so on the second coat we should be careful about somewhat careful about the brush strokes that we are going to make. And the way I spread the gesso, it's actually quite plain, in a way plain surface. It's not like a very rough surface, because I prefer to have a marble like surface rather than a canvas surface. So I'm covering it up. Now mind you that I am not going to paint the other surface upon which no painting has to be done. It's just one coat, and all of these three coats that I'm going to put on are on the painting surface only. And here it's more or less covered. So what I'm going to do is, after this coat I'm going to even it out with some water. This is slight amount of water, this is not a big one, but here we are going to go across. This will make it plain, very smooth, and the gesso is still wet underneath, and you can see it's becoming plainer. And upon the third coat, when we do the same process, it's going to be very smooth, like alabaster. Now I'm smoothing again and again. Initially it was vertically done, now it's horizontal. Now this is the third coat, and after the the previous layer has been dried. So mind you, all the layers have to be totally dry before you put another coat, so 24 hours maybe. So here I am particularly aware or paying attention to what kind of surface that I need, because this is the surface upon which the oil painting will be done. So generally, since I prefer to have a very smooth surface, so I'm making it smooth like this with water, just like the previous one. We are doing it vertically. Now we are going across, so it is going to even out eventually. So this is the surface that I'm quite happy with. It's quite smooth. So if you like this video, then please click the like button and also subscribe, and you can click the bell icon so that you get notified when a new video has been uploaded. Also remember to check out my website www.costofmfineart.com for more paintings. Thank you for your time. Take care.